Hey guys, so I've been dealing with a lot of stress and anxiety these past few weeks. I was asking my friend who seems to be very grounded, my cousin who seems to be really grounded and in a very safe space, what do you do? So she recommended that I buy this stone, which is this magical, powerful stone that would help you convert negative energy into positive energy, control your anger and resentment issues, and feel you all the more positive and optimistic. So I bought this off of Amazon. I can put the link below. I had ordered a sage as well, and I thought this was the sage, but it wasn't the sage. Also, when I was placing the order on Amazon, I thought that this would be a much bigger stone, but it's actually a tiny stone.
A pyramid is a sacred geometrical shape that collects energy from the universe and centers it down to us through the apex. This Orgonite pyramid is designed to attract all the potential positive energy. Tourmaline cleanses negative energy, clear quartz brings peace and harmony, and copper dust magnifies energy transfer.
Okay, I'm excited. I'm going to be putting it next to my bed and I will keep you posted. But anyway, this is it.